Okay, so the next laboratory activity, we have here the platelet count. So platelet count, we can perform the platelet count by manual method or by automated instrument. For the manual method, we could have here direct or indirect. For the direct method, we're using here your counting chamber, your pipette, and we have also here the diluting fluid. So for this activity, we have here the direct method for the platelet count using your Rees Ecker method here. So we'll be using here the RBC pipette. Procedure for that, you have your blood collected or the ETA collected blood. You could also perform here the skin puncture. You can collect blood directly from the skin. So try to aspirate the blood up to the 0.5 mark of our RBC pipette. Then after that one, try to aspirate here your Rees Ecker diluting fluid up to the 101 mark of your RBC pipette. Then you charge your new power counting chamber. Then allow it to settle for 3 minutes before you try to count your platelets. It will be difficult here to identify the platelets because it might be mistaken as your debris. It looks like also your bacteria or other structures. So, but generally, our platelets, they are usually granular, okay, they are refractile, and they are irregular. Okay, so if you try to, for example, if you try to manipulate your fine adjustment knob, it would appear to be highly refractile. That would differentiate that one from your debris or your bacteria. Okay, so we're going to count here your one ruled area talaga. The entire 9 squares, kung ilan dito ang platelets, nag-fall here into our entire 9 na squares within one ruled area that become here your platelets. Okay, so for our computation, okay, so we have here total platelet count is equals total number of the platelets identified or counted within your 9 squares. Okay, so multiplying here with the area correction factor. Area correction factor here, so since 9 ang squares, you're going to count that 1 in the entire 9, so that's 9 over 9. Your dilution factor, since we are using here your RBC pipette, that's 0.5 the blood up to the 101 na mark, that gives you here 200 na dilution. Then we have also here your depth correction factor, which is 10. Okay, that is a constant for that. So whatever your total number, the platelet count in 9 square, multiply here by 2,000. Paano 2,000? 9 over 9, that's 1 times 200 times 10, that's 2,000. So kung anong count mo dito, total number nito, multiply by 2,000. Okay, that gives you here the platelet count in, okay, 100,000. Okay, cubic millimeter. Or for example, kung ito ang hindi lahat, like let's say, for example, ang result mo, ang computation is 150,000. It's equivalent to your 150 times 10 to the 3. You move here, 3 decimal place, 1, 2, 3. That's 150 times 10 to the 3 per UL, ang kanyang unit. Or 150 times 10 to the 9 if that one is per liter, ang ating unit. Okay, thank you.